Kasorkar Jilla Kalathaw ika Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board Mrdsrb Banpanya ika Jingtungkam ika Junior Rural Development Officer Jrdo haki block hakatanat Community and Rural Development CNRD. Haba pentap halor kani karai ka kanhun menteri menta kasngi unong aiktian ka sorkar ubak polling do uloong bakandan ke expert committee ban Thung ki start ban penyat ke Jingtungkam na ka benta ki JRDO haki sanpu khandai tili ki kam. Uloong baling ba kani ka board dan kam shu ban pha shaka Meghalaya Public Service Commission Mpsc ban penyat ke Jingtungkam namar bakan shimpor bat slam Henry en penyat bet da kani ka board.
For the constitution of the Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board, which would help the activities of the CNRD, where officers are proposed to be recruited through an expert committee or a board. The members of the service being postgraduates and postgraduate diploma holders from reputed institutes, and they will be selected through a rigorous examination process and posted at the blocks as Junior Rural Development Officers. We have indicated that there would be Jrdo at the entry level. The number would be 59, and the number of posts required to be updated have also been indicated and approved. Now the crux of this proposal is that since these junior rural development officers, there is a paucity of officers at the ground level, and going through the Mpsc would delay the process of selection of such officers. So the need to have and to constitute the Meghalaya Rural Development Services Recruitment Board was felt, and this was put up before the cabinet and it was approved today.
Sir, regarding this